Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 6 and the topic respiration in the organisms. So let us discuss one by one question here. Till now as we have discussed about respiration in organisms in animals, whereas now we are going to discuss about the plants. Do plants are also having that respiration organs, respiratory organs or not? Let us discuss. The first question is here, do plants respire? Definitely the plants are also respire. So let us write the answer. Yes, the plants are also respired by the stem itself and the leaf. Okay, so these are the some plants are also can respire by the roots. Okay, that we can call it as mangrove plants. Through the stem, how it will be able to respire? There are small pores are there which we can call it as lenticels. Lenticels. So if you imagine this is what the stem, then the small pores of the some plants which are not able to respire through the leaves, that plants can able to respire through the stem. The small pores are called as lenticels. So here through the leaf, as we know, stomata. Stomata which is present on the leaf, the small pores present on the leaf responsible for the gases exchange. Gases exchange. So the carbon dioxide which will be taken up and the oxygen which will be released through the of this stomata itself. So definitely as we can know that this stomata is a nose of that a plant. So let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, what effect did the experiments with the sprouted seeds have on the lime water? So when you see that this lime water and you are testing with that over sprouted seeds, this lime water will changes into the milky white precipitation because of a production of that CO2. So when you are taking that an experiment part, we need to take a glass jar or else a conical flask. A glass jar, as we can take that a conical flask so that we can close. So here let us write the answer. Take a conical flask. So put some germinated seeds, or we can call it as that is sprouted seeds, just like that, the mung or else we can take that gram seeds. Okay, so if you are taking the glass jar, so here itself before adding that, as we need to take that the sprouted seeds, and one side we have to take that a small beaker with that of the lime water. So after this, as we can make it that is with the covered with the top of cotton plug, so that this lime water will be changes into the top of milky white precipitation. So after the respiration, so the respiration of that seeds, it just results that the lime water will changes into milky white precipitation. Milky white because of that releasing of that CO2. Okay, so let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, what type of seeds are used in the experiment? Just now as we have discussed that it is germinated seeds, or as we can take that sprouted seeds, that is for example mung, and as we can take that the examples of the seeds, gram seeds, etc. Okay, so what type of seeds we can use? The sprouted seeds we can use in this experiment. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.